Scott Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to introduce you to our spring specials. We've got a 4-horse Trails West Adventure offered for the same price as the already discounted 3-horse Trails West Adventure. These particular trailers feature some really nice options. They've got a steel frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, aluminum fenders and running boards, and then they're fully painted. They've also got walk-in tack rooms featuring swing-out saddle racks, 25-gallon water tanks, carpeted bridle racks, plenty of brush holders. They've also got drop-down windows with drop-down window bars and slide windows on the front. As we move to the back of the trailer, you can see we're going to have double rear doors and a fully rubber-lined horse compartment. So we've got roof vents in here, slide windows on the tail side for plenty of ventilation, and then all LED lighting. We've also got great zero-down financing offering at the moment. For more information on this trailer, call myself or our sales team at 970-663-1100.